Good morning, guys. Hi, Kalu Carver. So, I just wake up and I'm still fasting and I drink my coffee with butter. Ayan. So, try nyo po. It's nice. I just explain you why I drink this one. And I'm still fasting. Yes, because still nag-healing mode pa yung katawan natin for burning to make delay our breakfast. And huwag tayong matakot mag try natin yung mga butter, yes, na lagay natin sa coffee kasi butter is a good fat, is a powerhouse of fatty acid, and the brain, they love it. Pagkain nila yan. And I drink this one, actually this my 2 cup coffee now. And busog na ako. If magugutom pa ako, sanay kayo kumain ng breakfast, try nyo yung buttered egg or boiled egg. Even 4 pieces, 3 pieces is good. You full in the whole day and hindi nag-spike yung sugar nyo. Also, I have here some my cucumber. It's help. This one, this is help our body to alkaline. I have also here lemon kasi inuubo ako, so I need more vitamin C. This guava is lots of vitamin C, and the more vitamin C than lemon is bell pepper. So yan ang mga kinakain ko before I will eat my brunch. So something salad first, I just mix with the olive oil, with salt, with pinch of black pepper, and that's it. Yan. Kapag nagpapakulo lang ako ng luya or turmeric, yan. And moderation ang apple ko, and grapes or banana, moderation. Also, sometimes if still hungry, snack ko, yan, bumili ako ng selenium. Ito po yung selenium. It's all, 5 dirham for 8 pieces. So, 4 days ko na to. 2 pieces lang a day. Then, samahan ko siya ng dark chocolate. So, it helped me for my magnesium, my selenium, and yan. Mga source, we need to eat something source of potassium and magnesium and zinc to get the nutrition, no? Para hindi tayo deficiency. And also, I will add about pimples. No, ang dami ko kasing nakikilala. They have a lots of pimples. They don't know what to do. They buy already a lots of cream and taking medicine. No, you just low your carbohydrates, stop sugar and starchy. Yun lang yun kasi it's a inflammation actually. And eat eat protein, amino acid, the meat, the best one is beef, kahit once a week, and pork, chicken, eggs, seafood, salmon, eggs, yan, even laman loob, the organ, it's still high protein. And you will see, hindi ka tumataba. Me, I eat this one, and sometimes, yes, I do craving ako, but I know what I will do, still my body burning mood because right now I'm still fasting, kahit I drink my black coffee with butter, with cacao, or with a little pinch of cinnamon, nag-e-experiment, and I always listen to my body. If I'm hungry, I will eat. So, hindi ko nararanasan, natanggal na, I remove already my fluffy face here, no pimples, and pag nagkaka-pimples ako, I eat a lots of high carbs, like may nagbigay ng donut. So, yung hindi mo kasi mahindian yung mga nagbibigay. Thank you so much, but I know I need to more delay my breakfast, and habaan ko yung fasting ko and I eat high protein and high fat so that nag-heal siya inside of my body, and my mitochondria, they need healing, repairing when I sleeping mode, no? And sleeping mode and burning mode, nag-activate yon kapag yung signal ng binigay mong pagkain sa kanila is correct, no? It's coming ketones, no? Like example, I eat liempo with broccoli, or niluto ko siya sa grinil ko siya, or niluto ko siya sa butter or olive oil. Yan. That's signal. It's activating for your ketones and healing mode and burning mode. Why? You try it and your day, hindi ka brain fog, you full energy. You try kasi you will experience. Listen to your body and your body will tell you what you do. They are communicate you. They are messaging you. Yung mga pimples natin, this is the messenger. And yung pagtaba natin, nagsisimula na yan. And we need to low the inflammation. We need to burning mode and activate the healing mode if you know the signals. And the signal is the correct eating of a food, like as I told you, high protein and high fat, moderation ang carbohydrate. So less carbohydrate, more protein, meat, yun lang. And I do also massage of detoxing to activate also for balancing the meridian points of negative positive energy, and you will see your body will be activating. It's look like a computer, if you have a knowledge. And this I will explain you and I help you your journey, and try that one and you will see mag-lose weight din kayo. I'm from XXL, from 85 kilo to 58 kilo now. Yes. Ito, look. Yan ang iniinom ko, yung my breakfast. And it's okay, boiled egg. And I'm 48 years old. And I happy because I delay my aging. And I help you your desire. And stay low carb, apati. So, kain tayo ng meat. Don't forget.